I'm going to be showing you how to record Discord calls on iPhone while playing games. Recording Discord calls on an iPhone while gaming can be tricky because iOS restricts background recording, especially for apps like Discord, but there are a few ways to do it safely and legally and make sure all participants know you're recording. So what you can do is use iOS's built-in screen recording. iPhones have the screen recording feature that can capture your screen and internal audio in some cases. I'm using the screen recording feature right now. So what you can do is just swipe down the control center and you can find this icon over here, and all you need to do is tap there, and that's all you really need to do. If you just long press it, you can just enable the microphone and now you're recording your screen. Now what you can do is just open Discord and you can just start a call and start a game. And that's all you need to do. And that's how you do it. That's how you record Discord calls on iPhone while playing games. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.